Okay, you will now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
Well, not everyone is blessed with creativity, but I know few people who have extremely creative and motivational mind. Here I am going to talk about my maths teacher. Her name was Mr. Asif Bhatt, who I believe to be more creative person I have ever came across in the school. Basically, he was actually of math department. I feel lucky to be more. I feel lucky to be more to be his student. I feel lucky to be his student. During my school days, math subject is the most favorite one because of the teacher, the way he teaches his class, the method the method he learned to the students to solve the logarithm questions. Our math teacher is truly a genius person. There's a lot of things which I have learned from my teacher. Is one good habit I most like. He call her weak students on the weekend days, mostly Sunday, for 2 to 3 hours, and we really enjoyed it. That's all.
All right, thank you. 1 minute and 28 seconds. Overall, it is good, but there are grammatical mistakes. The mistakes are like first you said her name is Asif Bhatt. So her is used for female. Now you need to decide whether teacher is Asif or Asifa. Right? Yeah. Then you took certain pauses as you spoke, and then there were pronunciation mistakes. You said he teaches. It should have been he teaches, not teaches. And then you said he learnt the students, not learnt the students, he taught the students. So these type of grammatical mistakes are frequent. You should focus that. So main area is grammar, and then there were several pauses as well. So try to focus your fluency, and you can overcome pauses by using some connecting words. Moreover, by this I mean, furthermore, additionally, these words will help you speak fluently. So looking at your overall performance at present, I'll give you 5.5.